Now, let me explain the AI watermark in CapCut. This feature indicates that you're using AI tools. As you can see here, when you access a video, you'll notice the watermark in the bottom right corner, showing AI or CapCut's logo. Now let me tell you that the watermark serves as a clear indication. For example, when we access a video, you will see it located in the bottom right corner. In the bottom right corner, you will see the CapCut logo or some text indicating the watermark, clearly showing that this is an AI-generated feature. It may even simply display AI as a watermark. If you are using the AI feature without full pro access or within the free limits, you'll see this watermark clearly indicating its usage. If you are using the AI feature without full pro access or within the free limits, you will clearly see this watermark as I mentioned earlier. As you can see here, the small watermark will appear in the bottom left or right corner, depending on your video settings. It simply appears in the bottom right corner, as you can see here, indicating the usage of AI features. Now, let's discuss how to access these free AI functions effectively. If you are using AI for video generation, avatars, or automatic effects, you will often notice these features enhancing your content. As you can see here, this watermark appears when your access is limited. If your usage exceeds the free limits, the watermark will be added to your content, indicating restricted features. If you are using the trial version without a pro subscription for credits, as you can see here, it may also add this watermark to your content, indicating limited access. Here is the watermark, and as you can see here, many templates, especially those labeled as AI templates, often contain this watermark, indicating limited access to features. Here is the watermark you will see if you are using templates. As you can see here, this watermark indicates that you are accessing features with limitations. If you utilize specific templates, this watermark will appear, reminding you of the restrictions on your current access level. You will also see a watermark, as you can notice here, if there are AI effects used without a pro version, limiting your editing capabilities. With that small watermark, you might wonder how it works. Essentially, if you create something using AI tools without full access, this watermark appears to indicate limitations. AI video editing in CapCut processes your content on the server. The system checks your access type, and if there are limitations, it will apply restrictions accordingly. If you have free access, let me show you. For instance, if we open a video like this one, you will see how it works and what features are available. Now let's add that if you are editing in CapCut, you will notice that you are using AI features, which enhance your editing experience significantly, as you can see here. When you use professional features, a watermark will appear. If your access is free, this watermark will be visible, indicating the limitations of your current editing capabilities. It's clear that you'll see this watermark. However, if you have the Pro version, it will remove the watermark, enhancing your editing experience significantly. Let's discuss whether this can be removed. Of course it can. However, the simplest way to do this is by following these steps. To upgrade to CapCut Pro and export without a watermark, just follow these simple steps. And that's all you need to know, everyone. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck and goodbye.